Maximize your earnings with the right certification from Coursera. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hot Next Gen Careers. Today, we're going to dive deeper into some of the more popular Coursera certifications in tech and IT. Which are the best ones and for what reasons? We're going to explore which will help you earn the most right away, which ones have the highest demand in the next 10 years, and which ones will offer the most growth potential. Stick around to find how these certifications could fit your personality and your career goals, especially if you are an extrovert. You can connect. Don't think that computers is just about sitting behind a screen all day. You're managing projects, you're managing people, problem solving, working in groups. There's any array of ways that you can connect with people, explain your technology, and have a very lucrative degree, even if you're an extrovert. Choosing the right Coursera certification is going to maximize your career growth and really be a game changer for you. If you're looking for entry-level certification, IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate is going to take the crown here. A starting salary $60,000 to $80,000. A high demand because cybersecurity, it's really on the rise. When we're talking about the highest long-term earnings and demand, the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential Certification is going to be the one that you are looking to. You're going to have roles in cloud computing. It is really essential for the way that digital markets are transforming right now. If you combine it with architecture and engineering, it can offer you a six-figure salary. Now let's look at the most in-demand certification for the next 10 years. We have a tie here between the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Certification and the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential Certification. Cybersecurity is growing more and more. There are a lot of threats out there. So cloud technology expansion is going to ensure that AWS is consistently in demand. Best growth potential, we have Python for Everyone specialization. Why is this? It is extremely versatile. You go through data, machine learning, web development, and so it'll open you up to any number of career paths. It has any potential for growth. Finally, we're talking about extroverts certification. Computer science is not just for computer geeks anymore. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate will land you that role working with people. You are going to be using your teamwork skills, your problem solving, dealing with clients, interpreting and explaining technical concepts while you interact with others. If you're an extrovert, need I say more? There is a place for you in IT. I want to call you to action. There is a better way to do it than to go to a 4-year bachelor's degree in computer science. Just look at the earning potential with a certificate. Google IT, it's between 40 to 1,000, all the way up to the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential and Python for Everyone. These are great entry level, even when you're getting a bachelor's degree certificate that you can get within a few months and start earning while you are continuing your degree. I hope that you found this interesting. Click on my links for Coursera and Udemy so that you can see exactly what this is about. You're paying for a subscription. You're getting access to not only the platforms, but also the networks and connections, the people teaching the class, and the job placement that Coursera and Udemy can give as well. I am so happy to talk about how you can best survive in this changing world where IT is the name of the game and AI is driving success and change. You want to be in it. You want to be in it to win it, and you want to be in it quickly. How can you get there? Through certifications from Coursera. If you are interested in IT or technology, please revisit this video, share with you more ideas. We're next week going to dive into the business and finance side of Coursera. But if you're looking for a certification that will be in high demand and will continue to earn you bucks well into the future, consider Coursera's IT and technology certifications. Please do click on my links to subscribe, leave a comment. I always love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. It's your six-figure salary in the career that you love. If you don't have that now, don't worry. That's what we're here to talk about, because no longer do you have to spend 4 years of your life or more, tens of thousands of dollars. Maybe you even chose a major that is going to be obsolete with AI. Now there is a better way. With certification platforms like Coursera and Udemy that are designed to be affordable, quicker, and lead to high demand positions, you are going to set yourself up for success. So stop wasting your time and money. Click on my links, watch my videos of how to start to earn a six-figure income in less than a year. Do it smarter, do it faster. The future is here. Don't you get left behind.